know why? Because you don't put an article for a name. Yes, don't put article for name. We are not business, okay? Demanding process. Overall, based on the evidence of panel AC in the first, I don't understand what you mean by first roles. So let's go back right here. You mean, well, what do you mean by first? You put S right here, first rows. What do you mean? What do you mean by that? First rows. Like
I mean first few rows. Maybe I try to mean panel.
The panel, right?
Yeah, panel.
Yes, I want you to take a look at the picture first, the figure before we. Okay, the first, you say, okay, so you're talking about this part, right? And then I think what it means, this part, the first rows, this row